Morning vlogs, YouTubers. Pepper is my name and another vlog na punta.
Yeah.
Idugay na ko ka vlog, no? I think that was last 2 weeks ago when I do my that computer vlog thing. Yeah, another day. So it's kind of gloomy today because I think it will gonna rain for sure. Okay, I'm going early today because I have to go to a bank to encash a check, and it's kind of busy na gyud me this month because December is grabe gyud ka busy. Not only for my work, for my kids activities. They have Christmas party, families. Our family has a family reunion, things like that. So it's very busy with me this December month. We will spend our Christmas vacation in my wife's homeland in Mindanao. So our flight is December 25, which is Christmas Day. Mag via Davao mi guys. The homeland of my wife is in Cotabato. So mag via Davao because there's no flight Cebu to Cotabato. Flight for how many years na. So via Davao mi, and then when we arrive in Davao, we will go to SM and we will ride a VR. So VR going to Cotabato. I think it's gonna take 5 to 6 hours. Holding a cell phone, as you can see there, is very dangerous. Anyone can snap that, okay? So just a precaution, guys. It's December, daghang kay mandurukot, so double ingat lang. So it's not good yet. Yeah, you're just holding your cell phone. Yeah, that's the right thing, girl. Put it in your bag, and make sure also your bag is secured. Okay, kanang bag ang makuha tanan ma-lost, including your wallet, right? Where the hell is Metro Bank? I'm not familiar in this place. AS Fortuna. Oh, there's Metro Bank. And the parking is full. So I'm done doing bank transaction. I already encash my check. I already deposit some of my check to my wife's account because it's a must. That's our obligation also, okay? And then I'm going to the office. Double ingat lang ta guys because you know na during December the crooks, the thieves, the snatchers are everywhere, okay? Because they know during December some of the employees receive their 13th month already. Some are also receive their bonuses, so that's why double ingat lang yun. So pag gasolina sa ta, kaya wala po ko'y gasolina. I'm here at gasoline station because obviously I don't have gasoline. I have no diesel. It's not a gasoline, it's a diesel. Yeah, I forgot. It's diesel. Okay. Guys, I want to show you something. If you're a gamer, a PC gamer like me, I'm not that heavy PC gamer, but I like playing games on my PC and on my laptop. So I will show you guys how to get Assassin's Creed 3 for free on your PC. As you can see right now, I'm downloading the game, and it's absolutely free. Yes, I'm not joking. It's absolutely free. So all you have to do, go to their website. It's club.ubisoft.com. I will post that on my description below, the link of the website, and make sure also to create an account on the ubisoft.com on their website also. You have to download this app so that you can download the game. I don't know how long this will be free. I don't think this is a promo from the Ubisoft, so just download it if you want this game. And by the way, it's a huge file. It's around 16 GB. Okay, 16 GB, 16 gigabyte. Oh my god. So at least it's free. You don't have to pay this one. Okay, so again, if you want to get this game for free, just go to their website and download the game. By the way, guys, I don't know what's the problem of this modem. I think this is already busted because I cannot get internet on this modem. So I have to call PLDT and tell them that this is not working anymore. So luckily I have this old modem from PLDT, and this is more stable. Okay, this is more stable. Yoo-hoo. Hello. Yeah. So now it's working. I have internet now here in our house. And I know it's so messy. Look at the wires, guys. Look at that freaking wire. So I have to do cable management later. At least now it's working, and I will get rid of this modem. I'm happy with this modem. Okay, this is an old Zyxel. I forgot the model, and yeah, it's working. And this, honestly, guys, this modem is like you can siya overheat. So as you can see, if you put the modem like that, there's no ventilation there, so it's get easily hot. Not like this one. There's a ventilation here and also in the other side. Look at that. Okay, so this is much cooler than this thing. Okay, so I have internet now. Oh my god, I forgot the time. It's already 12 noon. I didn't prepare lunch for myself because ako sa diris balay. So, I don't know what to cook because I have no idea. So, we'll check. So, we'll check what's for. Oh my god. Bacon. So many nuggets. Oh, that's for my kids. Sausage. Come on, guys. Another bacon. It's frozen pa. Chicken, bacon. What's this? I think this is a lempo for our dinner last night. We didn't finish it, so okay. What's this? So I cannot cook this because it's still frozen. Oh my god, it's not clean. What the heck? Oh!